Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share a function called AutoFill. So AutoFill has various properties like FillDown, FillUp, FillLeft, FillRight, FillDays, and FillMonths. Basically what it does, it will fill the content in the selected regions and as per your requirement. So let's move and check this function. So for FillDown, we need to calculate the total sales by each salesman. So we need to sum up this and put here. So we will be applying a formula of sum like this, sum, and then selecting this entire region, and we need this to drag till down. So how we do it, we just drag this down and we can press control D, or if you want you can also go here and double click here. It will automatically autofill the space till bottom. So we want to do this through macro. So how we can do that? Let's remove this, and let's remove this sum, bottom sum as well. So what we'll do, we know this point F1. So from F1 we will move downwards till F19, and then one cell towards right, and then we will select this, and then we will apply autofill down. So this is how it will work. So let's go and start this. So I have already inserted a module. So module name is module 1. Let's create some more space so that we can see. Okay, this is nice now. So let's give a name to our module, that is AutoFill sales, and hit enter. So now I need to apply, first of all we need to apply the sum here formula. So I know the range when I need to apply the sum formula, that is G2 Z2 dot formula equals, and it should be within quotations. So you can type the formula, or you can just, a smarter way is to just copy the formula, hit escape, and you can paste here. Now we can remove this formula so that macro can insert that formula here, there. Let's make some space. So what it will do, it will insert the formula there in G2, and now I need to make the content filled till bottom for the rest of the sales. So what I can do, I can write here range F1 dot end braces start Excel down dot offset. I want to move one column towards right, so 0 rows, comma 1 dot select. So let me just explain what this line will do. It will select this first, and then it will move down here, last bottom where the file contains, and then it will move towards right here, applying the offset. The use of this property range F1 and Excel down is to move the cursor from F1 till bottom here, F19, and then the use of the offset is to move one cell towards right, that is this, and select this. So this is the use of this function, this line. Now the code comes where we need to autofill that above content. So what we can do, range selection, comma selection dot end Excel up dot select. Okay, I think I just forget to close the one braces here. Now it should be fine. Yes, it's fine. So this is what this line of code will do. It will select the entire code like this. It will select the entire content of from G1 till G19. And just a note that in this case we don't know where my cursor is going to end, so I have applied these codes. If you know the width and the length and how many columns and how many rows you need to select, then it's better to use that function. And if you're not aware that where your data is going to end, then you should apply this rules and these functions. So now I need to put that range. Now I can selection dot, I think the spelling is incorrect, selection dot excel fill down. This should work now. Now let's execute this function one by one. So will be using the short key, that is F8. Let's execute this. First line of code should insert there, and now this, as I said, this line has brought the cursor here at the bottom, and now this should select till up. Okay, that's a mistake. Debug. Let's fix this. Excel. So I think I made a mistake here. It should not be Excel fill down. It should be only fill down. I think this should work now. Yes. So let's execute this line of code. As you can see, it has dragged down all the sum formula till bottom. So let's try this once again so that you can see more clearly. And let's end this and reset. So you can see the first thing, it will insert the formula on G2, then it will move down to the last cell, then it will select the entire cells to be filled down, and now it will fill down. So this is how the fill down function works. This should be used when you don't know where your data is going to end. So now we are going to look to the function called FillUp. So it's pretty similar to fill down. What we'll do, we will insert a formula here and we'll copy this till up. I think we have removed the header, that is sales 2017. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, so what we'll do, similarly we will write a line of code to insert the formula dot formula equals, and I will just copy this formula from here and place it here. That's it. Now we need to there's a two way. My cursor is here, you can move here and you can select this and move up, then towards right, and then you can select this and then Excel up. You can do this way, or else if you know that starting point, then it's much easier. I know the starting point, so what I will do, range G2 comma range G2 dot end Excel down dot select, then range selection comma selection. Okay, I think I have written something wrong here, so it should just selection, because I've already selected the entire this region in the above lines, in this lines, so I don't need to write this. I just need to mention selection dot fill up. Now let's go in and check this. Let's remove this first and execute this line of codes. It is there, it has selected as and fill up. As you can see, it's working fine. So this is the way you can drag your content from bottom to top by using fill up function. Now we are going to look to the function called FillLeft. So FillLeft, what we will do in this, we will add a sum, we will have the sum of this cell 17 here, and then we will drag this formula till left here till C20. So let's check this. Before that, we need to apply the sum function here. You can add the sum here, so that it will be easy to copy there. This is one way, or other way is that you just press alt equal, it will automatically insert the formula. This is hotkey to add sum function. So let's move ahead to our topic, that is, now we know we need to apply the formula here at G20 dot formula equals to, let me copy the formula here, escape button, paste it here, and now I know that this needs to be dragged till here this way. Manually if we drag, then it will be dragged in this way. And move one, I just missed one, so you can drag here this way. I need the macro to drag till here, so this is what macro is going to do. So delete this and delete this as well. So now I know I need to drag from here till here, that is G20 till C20. So now let's move ahead. Range, that should be C20 till G20 dot select, then selection dot fill left. So that's all this. Now let's execute this. Yes, inserted the formula. Now it has selected it and it has filled the entire left hand side. So that's fill left for you. So this is pretty useful. Let's move to the next topic. So Excel fill right function is also similar to fill left. So what we can do, we can insert that formula here and then we can drag this towards the right. This is the only thing what we will be doing here. So let's apply a formula so that it's easier for us to, let's press short key if you know that, alt alt plus equal. Now we need to just copy this formula and move here, and we need to apply this formula in function C20, and the formula should be here. Just paste above this, and we need to copy C20 till C20 G20, and this should be FillRight. So that's it in this. Now let's execute this FillRight function. Okay, let's reset once again. We have not removed the formula here so that it will have a proper. Now let's run this once again. It has inserted the formula, selected the data, and it has dragged us till right. So this is FillRight function. This is how it works. So that's all in FillRight. Let's move to the next topic. Now we are going to look to the function called FillMonths. So now let's go, and to execute this we need to have first we need to write the first, from where we want to start, from which day we want to start. We need to first write on the first cell. So what I want, that range A2 dot value equals to, I want with Monday starting. So and right here Monday. Now I need to fill the rest of the days in here starting from Monday in series. So what I can do, range A2 dot AutoFill, and as you can see syntax is to write destination. My destination is from A2 till A19, so that is range A2 till A19. Now you can close the braces, then comma, and what type we want is, this is pretty interesting type. So in type there are many things: FillCopy, FillDays. We want to select FillDays, and just let's have a look to the other properties. It's FillDefault, so it will fill down the entire content till bottom. FillFormat, so it will only fill the format from the selected region, that is from A2. FillMonths will be seeing in the next part. uh, FillSeries is something like that. If I want to write 1 2 3 and so on till a certain cells, then we can use Excel fill series. Excel fill values means it will same as Excel fill series, it will put the values till bottom. Excel fill weekdays, it Excel fill weekdays, what it does, it eliminates weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and it will fill only weekday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And Excel FillYear, that it will fill the years, and Excel fill FlashFill and linear. These are the things which we are going are in this type property. So we need to select Excel FillDays, hit tab and hit enter. So now let's try this. It will execute Monday, and then we need to have, you can see it has filled the all this in order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I would have written here Tuesday, then it would have similarly it would have inserted Wednesday here, Thursday here, and so on. So this is the property of Excel fill days. Now we are going to look to the property called Excel fill months. So it is pretty simple. So we are going to insert here the month, that is, let's insert a month here, that is March, and you can change the, that is B2. You can insert January as well, February, any of you like, and then it will write next months in a serial order. Now next execute this, that's, sorry, change this, that is B2, and destination should be from B to till B19, and this should be Excel. As you have seen, various properties that Excel months. So let's execute this March, and you can see it has inserted the rest of the months in order. So that's all about Excel fill months. In AutoFill property, you can use other properties here with Excel fill copy days, months, year, and series, and so on. This were just month and days were just two examples said by me, and all of rest of them are pretty simple and similar to use as I have used days and months. If you have any queries, do put them in comment section. I will work on that and post a video on that. Have a good day. Enjoy.